Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. Today's episode we are going to see bridal Kanjivarams, beautifully intricately woven hand-picked Kanjivaram silk sarees in brocades, in tissues, in korvai borders, in long borders, in light and dark shades. We have few pastel shades as well. All these sarees are double warp, pure Kanjivaram hand-woven silk sarees. The price range for these sarees are between 15,000 and it goes up to 32,000. Let's get started. All these sarees are available in our website. We have many more color combinations that are available. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link given in the description, which will directly take you to the collections page. To get immediately notified whenever we upload a video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. The first one for today, a very pretty pastel pink and purple combination in traditional korvai weaving. A short border with beautifully woven pattern babanji on one side, and the entire body has got a floral thread pattern woven in zari, completely woven in silver zari. And towards the bottom part of the border, this has got a korvai weaving in purple with babanji and floral pattern. This has got a beautifully woven rich pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and a purple blouse, that's the blouse. Priced at 29,390. The next one is a full gold tissue with traditional maroon combination. This has got a very pretty small green piping on either sides of the border. The entire body is in tissue with beautifully woven floral pattern in gold zari. If you take a closer look, you can see the intricate weaving running throughout the body with korvai borders on either sides, traditionally woven zari. This has got a contrast maroon pallu, a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and a maroon blouse. So that's the blouse. Priced at 19,990. The next one is antique gold again with maroon combination, a very different style. This has got a plain border on one side in korvai. The entire body is in antique zari woven pattern with a beautiful bold motifs towards the bottom part of the border. It's korvai again with a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a running blouse, that's the blouse. Priced at 19,990. The next one is lemon yellow and orange, a beautiful combination, completely done on silver zari, this sari. So this has got a small silver zari kadi border on one side, and the entire body has got floral motifs woven in silver zari again. And towards the bottom part of the border, this has got a babanji followed by kadi zari and beautiful floral motifs woven in silver zari. This has got a contrast silver zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain contrast orange blouse, that's the blouse. Priced at 19,990. The next one is a self-colored sari, a very pretty pink with babanji border, short border on one side, and towards the bottom part this has got a long babanji border, and the entire body has got mile chakram motifs woven in golden zari running throughout the body with a rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain pink blouse. Priced at 17,250. The next one is purple and pink, a zari brocade sari. This has got a small pink piping on one side. The entire body has got small zari woven motifs running throughout the body, completely woven in zari. Towards the bottom part, this has got beautiful motifs woven in gold and silver in pink korvai weaving with a rich pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast pink blouse. The sari is priced at 16,990. The next one, beautiful pink with small green piping just to highlight the border on either sides, short border on one side. The entire body has got a brocade zari woven pattern running throughout the body with beautiful lotus border running along the bottom part. This has got a rich pallu woven in gold zari and a plain blouse. That's the blouse. This saree is priced at 15,650. The next one is borderless saree. Beautiful baby pink and teal combination in borderless style. The entire body has got gold and silver zari woven motifs running throughout the body, with a contrast teal pallu, that's the pallu, with rich zari woven pattern, and this has got a contrast teal blouse, priced at 18,650. The next one is orange and violet, a beautiful traditional combination again. Short woven border on one side in gold zari. The entire body has got a floral zari woven pattern with a longer border towards the bottom part. This has got beautiful annams woven in golden zari in korvai style, with a rich pallu in violet, that's the pallu, and this has got a violet blouse with rich zari border, priced at 19,990. The next one is silver zari in cream and orange combination. It's a reddish orange, completely woven in silver zari, small kaddi border on one side. The entire body has got beautifully woven silver floral motifs running throughout the body, with a traditional korvai border and beautiful floral motifs running along the border in silver zari again. This has got a silver zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast sunset orange blouse, priced at 19,990. The next one is violet and purple, brocade sari again, traditionally woven mango design borders on either sides in golden zari. The entire body has got an all over pattern completely done on zari again, with a rich zari woven pallu in purple, that's the pallu, and this has got a purple blouse, priced at 15,650. The next one, a very traditional color combination. It's mango yellow and pink, short border on one side. The entire body has got a beautiful self-embossed pattern with brocade zari work. Towards the bottom part of the border, this has got beautiful peacocks followed by babanji border. A rich zari woven pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and this has got a pink blouse, priced at 15,250. The next one is a full tissue sari. It's a golden beige with red korvai, beautifully woven borders, equal borders on both sides, and the entire body has got a self-embossed pattern along with floral tissue woven style, with korvai borders traditionally woven on either sides in red. This has got a tissue pallu again, that's the pallu, and a golden tissue blouse, that's the blouse, priced at 21,490. The next one is purple, very traditional, short border on one side and longer border towards the bottom part with beautiful babanjis and peacocks. The middle portion of the sari has got a brocade pattern completely woven in golden zari, that's how it looks. This has got a subtly woven rich pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast green blouse, that's the blouse. This sari is priced at 18,350. The next one is half and half in silver zari. The top half doesn't have a border. This has got beautiful silver zari woven floral motifs running on the top half of the body, and towards the bottom half this has got beautifully woven silver zari checks and floral motifs completely woven in silver zari, with a rich pallu in navy blue korvai, and this has got a navy blue blouse. This sari is priced at 16,760. The next one is again a bridal Kanjivaram in borderless style. A very traditionally woven red with self-woven pattern and beautiful annams woven in golden zari running throughout the body in borderless style, with a contrast navy blue pallu, a rich pallu in navy blue, And this has got a brocade blouse in navy blue. That's the blouse. Priced at 18,250. The next one is again a full gold tissue in Korvai. A beautiful golden yellow and pink combination with traditionally woven peacocks along both sides of the border. The entire body has got a zigzag pattern woven in gold zari with a contrast pink tissue pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a tissue blouse in pink. That's the blouse. Priced at 21,490. The next one is pink and purple with bawanji border on one side, and towards the bottom part this has got a longer border with peacocks followed by bawanji, and the entire body has got a zari brocade pattern running throughout the body with a contrast purple pallu, a rich pallu woven in golden zari, and this has got a purple blouse with a zari border. Priced at 15,250. The next one is beige and teal in borderless style. A combination of both gold and silver zari woven motifs running throughout the body. This has got no borders with a contrast teal pallu with rich zari, and this has got a plain teal blouse. Priced at 18,850. The next one, a very traditional red with rich zari woven borders, bawanji followed by anams woven in golden zari. The entire body has got a self-embossed thread pattern along with beautifully woven zari motifs of peacocks running along the body. This has got a rich pallu woven in golden zari and a red blouse. That's the blouse. The sari is priced at 18,350. One more sari in half and half, again in silver zari. The top half is in magenta with a navy blue Korvai border on the bottom part. The top half has got beautifully woven diamond motifs in silver zari, and towards the bottom part the same motifs are completely woven in silver zari. That's how it looks. This has got a beautifully silver zari woven pallu. That's the pallu. And a plain navy blue blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 16,760. The next one is mango yellow and pink with rich peacock zari borders on either sides followed by bawanji, and the entire body has got a brocade pattern woven in golden zari running throughout the body. That's how it looks. This has got a pink rich pallu woven in golden zari and a contrast pink blouse. That's the blouse. This sari is priced at 22,270. The next one is a full tissue again. A beautiful gold tissue with purple combination. Korvai weaving on either sides. Short border on one side. The entire body is in tissue with mild green bold floral weaving running throughout the body. Towards the bottom part of the border, this has got a longer border with bawanji and beautiful patterns running along the border. This has got a tissue woven pallu. That's the pallu. And a purple tissue blouse. That's the blouse. The sari is priced at 31,450. The next one is dual shade of orange and pink. A very rich and traditional color with bawanji borders on either sides. The entire body has got a self-embossed pattern with beautiful peacocks woven in zari. This has got a rich pallu. That's the pallu. And a plain blouse with a zari border. Priced at 19,990. The next one is a very pretty green with coffee brown combination. This has got a simple kadi zari border on one side. The entire body has got a checked pattern with silver zari lines running both horizontally and vertically. Towards the bottom part of the border, this has got a traditional Korvai weaving with mild chakram and kadi zari border woven in silver zari. With a rich pallu, That's the pallu. And this has got a coffee brown blouse. That's the blouse. This saree is priced at 23,090. The next one is again a golden tissue with korvai pink weaving. Bavanji border on one side and pink korvai. The entire body has got a floral embossed pattern in tissue along with highlights of pink floral motifs in pink silk thread. Towards the bottom part, this has got a Bavanji border followed by floral mango motifs running along the border. This has got a rich tissue pallu in pink. That's the pallu. And a pink tissue blouse. Priced at 21,490. The next one, tissue again with a beautiful blue korvai weaving, Bavanji borders on either sides. The entire body has got a mild cream tissue pattern woven in golden zari with korvai borders in blue. This has got a rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a tissue blue blouse in contrast to the body color. Priced at 21,490. One more tissue. It's gold and pink with traditionally woven mail chakrams and beautiful peacocks on either sides of the border. Short border on one side, and this has got a longer border on the other side. The entire body has got beautifully woven peacocks. So if you take a closer look, you can see the peacocks woven along the body with a rich pallu in pink. That's the pallu. And this has got a tissue blouse in pink. Priced at 21,490. The next one is antique gold with beautifully woven zari borders. Very, very rich and pretty. This has got a zigzag woven pattern running throughout the body with a short Bavanji border on one side. And this has got beautiful mango motifs and peacocks running along the bottom part of the border along with Bavanji. A rich pink pallu in tissue, that's the pallu. And this has got a pink tissue blouse. Priced at 21,490. The next one is mango yellow and purple with an all over zari pattern running throughout the body. Short border in purple korvai on one side, and towards the bottom part, this has got beautiful mangoes and peacocks running along the border. In between the borders, it's got Bavanji with a very rich purple pallu, that's the pallu. And this has got a purple blouse with a rich zari border, that's the blouse. The saree is priced at 16,990. The last saree for today, a very pretty pink self saree with traditionally woven zari borders and Bavanji and peacocks. The entire body has got a self-woven pattern with beautiful zari motifs running throughout the body. This has got a rich zari pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain pink blouse. Priced at 16,990. All these sarees are available in our website. We have many more colors that are available. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link given in the description, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video and have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.